Hey, howdy, y'all. This is John, and you're looking at Wolfen 4966. I might relate on that handle. That handle is Wolfen 4966. I probably related to the 4966 part, but I'm not sure if I told you about where where Wolfen comes from. Wolfen is a gaming handle. Used to be a gamer, but I got the handle a long time ago when I was stationed in Germany. And Wolfen in German means pretty much wolf or wolves, or a community of wolves, or a pack of wolves. It's plural, pretty much. The Wolfenstadt, so forth. Um, I think I got it from Wolfenstein. Not a true fact. I got it from the Germans. We were out on a training exercise, and it was pretty much the Bundesstaat, which is German army, Bundeswehr, Bundesstaat, um, the German nationals, the local German army, and we went out on maneuvers, and I think there was about 12. I don't know if it was a squad of 12 against my squad, but orders were given to do a pinwheel flanking maneuver. Um, we did that. We did that. We didn't encounter any patrol yet, and somehow some of my guys got lost. Well, I'm sitting out there all by myself, and I'm locked and loaded, of course. Blanks. We got blanks. Well, I came up to two, and I took them out. And then as soon as I took the two out, another five or six come up. Um, the Germans used to love to put they sacrifice two and then throw two waves at you. Very clever, very clever. So you got to be more clever than them. So what I did is having some Native American in me, and being Austrian German myself, along with Welsh, and just, just come from a long line of good woods fighters, and being from the boonies sometimes helps. So what I did is I kind of outflanked their flank, if that makes sense. And so I'm over here. I'm kind of like the ghost. Well, I'm over here, and then step real quietly, come around them, hit them from this side, come around, hit the rear guard, come around to the to the far left, and take them out. Well, it turned out it was just me against uh, their squad leader, which I was squad leader. So was squad leader, and I popped up on him behind a tree and took him out. So what it is when you're using blanks, you're using a suppressor for the blank. It's red. It's a little square deal. It goes on top, goes on the front of the muzzle, clamps right on there, and then you got electronic laser. It's kind of like going and doing a laser battle, you know, except for you're wearing a mock-up uh, a vest with all the sensors on it, and come around. I'm just all you hear is me, 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 me. Everybody, man, and it's like, and they just start speaking German, and I said, I forgot what I said, but I said it in German, and they're like, oh, Wolfen, And later on, I asked them. We're all sitting there reflecting on the mission, or the mock-up mission, and their first sergeant said, "Well, what they're saying is you're like a dog. You were like a dog, relentless dog of a wolf. You're like a wolfen, which is," he says, you hear, you disappear. You over here, disappear. You over here, you disappear. You over here, you disappear. And he goes, "Your squad lost." They say, "How you do it?" I didn't want to tell them I was lost too, and I just stumbled across their squad. I mean, but I said, "Oh crap, I'm by myself, man. I don't know where everybody is. Where's my guys? My guys are flanking this way, and my other guys are flanking that way onto a position, and these guys are going to come in and flank the flank." Well, they didn't count on somebody having some war experience come in and take them all out. So that night, we're all sitting there, and there's 12 guys feeding me beers. They're like, "Oh yeah." And when Germans congratulate you, they come up behind you. They just don't pat you on the back. It's like, "Ah, gut, das ist gut, Wolfen, wo ist da?" Yes, yes, okay. At the time, I didn't give a shit. I was getting free beer. Free beer. And I'm Austrian German. I love beer. I'm Irish, Welsh. I love beer. uh, Native American. Love the fire water, baby. I don't care what anybody says. Life is about, you turn a negative into a positive, a bad situation into a positive, and people see that, and you don't do it to be recognized. You don't do it. You do it for integrity. I'm here and I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna have to embarrass some people. And the Germans, like, they just look at you like, "Oh, you need to join. You need to join the German army. We need you." And I said, "American German, and we're allies now. We're together on this." You know. Um, right at that time was the worry was about Russians in the satellite states trying to come down and get a hurry scurry going, and that means uh, trying to bring on some pain and show that you know they're not little satellite states anymore. Which we ended up helping them anyways. I mean, Kosovo, Bosnia, Macedonia. Cold weather training, good cold weather training, that's for sure. But I just thought I'd let you all know that. Don't know how long this is going to go. I mean, I haven't really come to a conclusion if I'm going to run them 5, 8, 10. I guess I'm going to do what feels good. That's how I see it. So I'm going to probably sign off and let you all get back to your lunch or your dinner and bid you farewell. Stay cool, stay you, stay faithful. Okay, y'all. I love you. Bye.